Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So we're out here doing what we do. How much miles this? We just do this. They said,
Almost 4.
yeah, three miles and change, and we're heading back home now. So it's another 3 miles and change to get back home. And this is our morning routine. You know, the reason why we are doing this is to not just work with the weight loss, but also to reduce blood sugar, you know, to stave off the onset of diabetes and all the other things that the doctor wants to tell us may be wrong with us, cholesterol and stuff, overall health. So I just wanted you guys to see, you know, some of what we do. And we normally walk in a park, but from the other day we've been liking the scenery on the road, on the main road. So we've been doing that, you know.
What role does the walking play in all of this?
Well, the doctor says you have to do some type of activity every day, at least 30 minutes, you know. We are pushing the envelope because we walk sometimes an hour and a half, you know. But daily activity reduces the amount of calorie that you consume, and it also gets your blood pumping, get your heart working. And we do the HIIT. What that mean again?
High intensity interval training.
So we run a little bit, we walk a little bit, you know, stretch a little bit, you know, and keep up our pace, you know. It is always good to have a Woo. She's still back there trying to fix up. And I'm winning. Guys, catch the sun. Sun. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that feel right there.
That's my boy.
So I need to tell you, every time I'm coming home from my walk, I'm always looking at my neighbor's Moringa tree. It is a beautiful tree, well tall and everything, and it is filled with Moringa seeds or seed pods. Now, I must tell you that every part of the Moringa tree is good for some reason or the other. It's actually called the tree of life. The blossoms and the leaves that can be eaten and can be used to make like a curry like spinach. You know, you just add it to your curry, or you can cook it like spinach. You can juice it, or you can just eat it raw. The pods are what you get the seeds from, and I open it up just as how you see here. I'm not gonna use these because they're waterlogged, because at the time of this video we are just coming out of a 2-day rain season with the hurricane and all of that. But I just wanted to show you where the Moringa seeds come from, so when I start to use them in my routine a little bit later on, you will have an idea.
Okay guys, so we reached home now.
I'm tired.
And he tired.
We did 5.32 miles.
That part. Good job. All right, so now for the stretches, and this is what we typically do every day.
2,
Stretches.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2.
And stretching is important because you don't want to have unnecessary pains, whether in your muscles or your joints after a walk.
I'm just doing an adjusted version of the stretching because we're doing the video, right? Normally we go longer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stretch out the back of your hand.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Other hand.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stretch out the abs and the shoulders and the back.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What else were we supposed to do?
Side to side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what else?
Go, you have to do 10 more to balance.
Oh, 1, 2, I'm going to do 10. And then we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And your favorite one,
Which one?
ankle hold.
Oh.
Slide to the down. Slide to the ankle.
Wait. Right? Set your foot. And then on.
That really stretch out your back, you guys.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hip hip. Hooray.
Let me go inside. I'm thirsty. But now we have to do the next thing, guys, which before I touch any type of food, I have to hold on there.
Wipe
I
out
have
your
to sweat. Before I touch any type of food, I have to do my blood sugar check. So that's the next thing. And then we see what goes on after that.
Okay.
So, as the wife is over there making, looking about our breakfast, I'm gonna go through the routine of checking my blood sugar level. All right, and this has been a morning routine for me, and it is a very simple one, where I just wanted to show you guys exactly what I do. So this machine has the needle in it, and it's just, as I said, a glorified needle. Let me see if I can zoom my camera a little bit nearer. Yeah, so this is a glorified needle, and you just basically it has a little trigger. non-prescription supplements that is good for blood sugar levels. It's been very, 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 very long on the market. All right, supports healthy blood sugar metabolism, and so after me eat, sometime I take 2 of this. But now there is the same chromium, and it's found with this other metal, which is called vanadium. And vanadium is a metal, like where you have zinc or iron. Vanadium is a metal, and chromium is also a trace element that your body produces. Vanadium is also found in such foods like oysters, mushrooms, and other such fruits. I think corn have it too. But again, please do your research and see if it's good for you. So one of this is finish walking. The next thing I'm going to show you is one of the best products on the market. Look at that, guys. Aside from the little hole here.
And you know, so this is where the little hole was and I was trying to fill it. It looked like it never filled properly.
I need back my egg right there so for the hole. So drop back some egg in the pot to make back the hole. You don't put no egg, no cheese. So this is the wifey one now. And for hers, you know, you could just put the Gouda up on the top of the vegetable, right? She's using the smoked Gouda.
Yeah.
And you're just using one piece?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then sugar flip it. Alright. And then just give it time for the smoked Gouda to melt so that it holds together. And me like yours more than mine. Yours look very nice. Alright, show me my plate now. Just show me my plate. And guys, this is my egg for today. Just have it with some sweet potato, with a quickly baked sweet potato. Yeah, and we're good to go. That's breakfast for this morning. And guys, me dog gonna wash it down with little juice. Remember me tell you. So here's my breakfast, guys. My omelette, as you see there, and of course I put a little bit of pepper sauce on the top there. I also have some pickled okra, and this is amazing, guys. It's not salty at all. It has a little tinge of sweetness, but it is super duper good. It's spicy and crunchy, and it is good for you. I have my sweet potato, half of a sweet potato. The wife will take the other half. I have half of an apple, and of course the wife will take the other half. Over here I have my, little supplements that I'm gonna have as soon as I'm finished eating, because you cannot take your supplements before you eat. All right, after you eat. And then I made some tea, and the tea is simply ginger slices with a piece of cinnamon and of course some lemon. That's it, in hot water. So guys, my morning regiment, and it ends with my breakfast. I do hope that you can glean some type of enlightenment from this and step out and do your best with your health food regimen, and of course to put your diabetes in check if you have diabetes, that is. Yeah, fight off the diabetes thing. All right, so big up on yourself. You are the Belly TV to the world. So guys, thank you for joining me again on my morning routine, and of course on behalf of me and the wifey, keep on doing it, keep on fighting, and remember, live and laugh, cook and eat. Yeah, the Belly TV says so. Big up on yourself. See? Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about the video too. Don't it see?
Right, true.
Right, true. Because we want to get to 200,000 subscribers, as you see right there. Big up on yourself, and yeah, peace.